Fast asleep inside your promises, wrapped in every line you swore was true. I didn't see the warning in the kindness, didn't hear the quiet breaking coming through. I held the world as if it couldn't change me, believed in you the way the night believes in blue. Then the truth came softly, like a hand behind a door. It didn't shout, it shattered everything from the inside of the floor. Wish I never knew what you were hiding underneath the words you chose. Wish I stayed naive, so blind and safe before the secrets bloomed like thorns and froze. If knowledge is a gift, then it's one I never asked you for. Wish I never knew anymore. I still replay the way you used to look at me, trying to map the lie inside the lie. I walk the rooms of memory like ruins, searching for the part that never lost the fight. If I could trade the truth for peace, I would. I'd pay the price for one more unbroken night, because the truth stays hungry, devouring every call. You gave me revelation, but never gave me balm. Wish I never knew what you were hiding underneath the words you chose. Wish I stayed naive, so blind and safe before the secrets bloomed like thorns and froze. If knowledge is a gift, then it's one I never asked you for. Wish I never knew anymore. Nothing changes now, and yet everything is gone. The lie was fragile comfort, but it kept